Hey guys, welcome to Digital Tips. In this video I'm going to show you how to get Adobe After Effects for free. Open your browser, copy and paste the link that you're going to find in the video description. Complete I'm Not a Robot reCAPTCHA verification. Continue. Wait 10 seconds. Press on get link. Now it's going to redirect you where you can download the After Effects. Press on download a zip. Now you have to wait until the download is finished. Okay, so after it's downloaded, open File Explorer, Downloads, make sure that you have an unzipper. Open the folder unzipped and open Setup. Select your language and your location and then press continue. Now just let it install. Press on close and now Adobe After Effects is installed. Let it load. And now as you can see, this is Adobe After Effects. Okay, so thank you for watching Digital Tips. Comment, like, subscribe, and I see you guys later. Bye.